Thankful is the newest song by Sounds of Blackness. It's nominated for an NAACP Image Award. The Twin Cities-based group celebrates 54 years of performing this month.
Reg Chapman shares why this latest recognition has special meaning for the Grammy Award-winning ensemble.
This NAACP Image Award nomination is extra special because the song Thankful, written by our own Jamesia Bennett and Buddy McLean, is in honor of Amir Locke, who was tragically killed a couple of years ago, and Amir's Buddy's son.
Sounds of Blackness lead singer Jamesia Bennett says she led with her heart when writing the lyrics to Thankful.
So we have to go in and just find that in ourselves to bring that out, to still give the world hope.
Gary Hines has led this group for most of its 54 years and says he is proud that the ensemble still stands as a cultural speaking voice for Black America.
But from day one, Reg, Sounds of Blackness has had as our goal to not only to praise God by inspiring people of all backgrounds through Black music, but also to be in the vanguard of the movement for social justice, for equality.
Hines says Sounds of Blackness is part of and heir to the legacy of singers who have paved the way in the quest for social justice.
Artists have always been in the vanguard of that movement, whether it was Billie Holiday with Strange Fruit, protesting lynchings, whether it was James Brown with Say It Loud, I'm Black and I'm Proud.
Now focused on spreading a message to the next generation, Sounds of Blackness is using all genres of music, gospel, R&B, soul, jazz, hip-hop, country, and rock and roll to reach for the nation's soul. Jamesia says she is proud to continue the group's original mission.
It is definitely big shoes to fill to continue to minister, because that's exactly what it is, to continue to minister this message of hope and love and being grateful and thankful for every day of our lives, but also being aware and woke on what is happening today.
With photojournalist Chris Cruz, Reg Chapman, WCCO News.
The NAACP Image Awards air Saturday at 7 on BET. BET is part of Paramount, just like WCCO.